Is it worth anything? Today we're going to be talking about a category again. And one of the reasons I love doing these videos for you is because often there are things that you would never think of as being collectibles when you clean out your parents' house, and you may be tossing stuff that really has some value. So the category we're talking about today is Tobacciana. Okay, so what is that? That is anything having to do with tobacco. Cigarettes, cigars, pipes, things like that. So what's included in that category? Well, advertising materials, which are always hot for anything. Cigarette cases, ashtrays, cigarette silks, which are really cool if you've never seen those. Pipes, humidors, pipe racks, tobacco tins, cigar boxes, and lighters. So especially the lighters, people have a tendency to look at those, get in Dad's drawer and there's a bunch of lighters and you think, oh, nobody uses these anymore. Well, guess what? So are they worth anything? Well, some of these items recently sold on eBay. Lighters were going anywhere from $5 to almost $100. So some of the lighters, a lot of people collect them. They're very collectible. Ashtrays, $4 to $70. Pipes were anywhere from $15 to $100, and meerschaum pipes especially tend to be really valuable. Cigar boxes were $10 to $25. Humidors, $20 to $65. Pipe racks, they were selling for about $15. Tobacco tin, they were going anywhere from $5 to $30. But they're a fun collectible because they're easily found and there's all kinds of different types. So it's an inexpensive thing to collect and it's a fun thing to collect. So there was one tobacco tin though that sold for $225. So are they worth anything? Yes, these items are worth things. And it's the kind of thing that you're going to be going through your parents' house and go, oh, Dad's old pipes, yuck, and throw them in the dumpster. Or, the lighters and go, nobody uses these, everybody uses disposables anymore. So some things are worth something even if you think they aren't. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.